afternoon. Good afternoon. I have to confess, I'm already fond of these people because they had home-cooked Welsh cakes. Now, where did that come from?
Well, we wanted to bring the all Welsh produce, so Welsh machinery, Welsh produce on a stand. So you didn't have any cider though. That's disappointing.
You know, I've got work to do, but I will be here. I will be here for a while.
Clock off soon.
But thank you so much for the Welsh cake. They were absolutely delicious. I have to confess. Why have you brought me over here to this cage?
This is the RB palletizer. So this is one of our flagship products. We're palletizing all manner of goods, so cases, crates, packs, shelf-ready packs, you name it. We're putting these into food manufacturing environments for their end-of-line palletizing requirements.
Now, forgive me, I'm a veteran of many factories, and I've seen a few palletizers before. Is yours different?
It is different, Greg, yes, of course. You'll see most of them, a cobot palletizing in particular, you'll see they have vacuum heads. We've got our own servo tool, which means that we can pick 1 pack, 2 pack, 3 packs. So we can actually palletize up to 35 units per minute.
Whoa, hang on a minute. As I've said, I've seen a few of these before.
You have?
Yeah, take me through that again, because you're right, I haven't seen this.
Yeah.
So it can go at different speeds, but also different pack sizes?
Yeah, I mean, some of our customers pack up to 50 different products. So we have a tool that's really versatile. It'll accept any kind of pack size. And the onboard industrial PC that we have is pre-programmed to accommodate many different types of products. So it's versatile, because the food industry is changing all the while, isn't it?
Most certainly. So if I had this machine, I had my own factory, and I had different size packaging, I've just got to go into the computer and program it on that size?
Yep, on the Easy Stack software, you can just select the product that you want to palletize and it will do the job for you.
How long have you been in, probably I shouldn't ask how long. Can I ask you what brought you into this industry? Have you got an engineering background? Or?
I haven't at all, no. I just have a real passion for automation. So I've been here for 14 years in the industry. I'm very fortunate to be given the opportunity. We've always been surrounded by exceptionally passionate people that we all have that same goal to get as many robots into factory environments as possible.
What's the difference between an automaton and a robot? Do you know?
An automaton, I know the difference between an autonomous mobile robot and something that is guided via other means.
Maybe my language was wrong. It's your experience.
Automaton?
I think it's not, but it does the same thing all the time. Is that not an automaton? No.
No, and we certainly wouldn't want our robots to do that. We need them to adapt and flex to the environment that they're in. So we want to make it as accessible as possible, and hopefully most of our end users will recognise that the Reeco products very much adapt to their needs without needing very specialist support on site. We have easy stack software, for instance, that will allow users to make changes themselves in-house.
So if somebody has one of your machines and then their new product comes in, do they literally just give you a call and you rewrite a bit of
No, not at all. No, just go into the program and select the case size that you need, and the palletizer will do the work for you.
How new is this? How new is this technology?
Cobots are more recent in the market as opposed to an industrial robot. They can do similar things. Cobots obviously have been created to work alongside operators in different environments. We treat our cobot very much like an industrial robot, so you'll see full 360 safety, fixed guardings, safety scanner to prevent access. That robot running at speed with a tool in its arm, it needs safety to prevent any access.
This probably sounds like an obvious question to you. Robot, cobot. What's the difference, please?
Cobot is collaborative, like I say, so it's they're developed more so in line to work alongside humans. If you touch it, it will stop. And our robots will work in collaborative mode for the first 3 seconds of the program. Then they move into a full program, which not necessarily working in a collaborative manner, but there's all sorts of applications out there that they'll work in a different way.
How collaborative may we become? I mean, will it understand if I turn up on a Friday morning with a hangover? Will it be able to discuss the weekend sport with me?
No, unfortunately not. It will not take a day off for a hangover, or if it's had a spat with its loved one at home. It will keep working for you 24/7 if that's what you need it to do.
Am I looking at the future of not just palletising here, but packaging eventually, do you think?
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, there's a great deal of scope to get more robots out there in the marketplace. It's our job as an integrator and a manufacturer to make sure that it's accessible and it's easy to integrate into the product line that they're looking to deploy automation into.
Have we got enough Welsh passion in here? Have we spoken about it enough?
Absolutely, yeah. But I don't think you've tried enough of it, really. It's the Barra Brith that you need to try next.
Is there any part of your business that you'd like to discuss with me that I haven't asked you? Is there anything important that you need to say here?
We should look at the AMR that's been whizzing around.
Come on.
So our AMR over here.
Whoa, we love these things. This thing moves around, right?
It does.
I've seen these at railway stations now.
Yeah. They are, and they're in airports also, aren't they? Moving bits around. We use them in food manufacturing environments, like this one here. That's carrying crates in between different lines.
Make it move.
Well, we're in its way, I think.
I've been in people's way for the last 20 years. It hasn't stopped me earning a living.
I think actually Llewellyn is stood in its way. Look.
Llewellyn, could you get out of its way so it can move?
Slightly.
Oh, it's stopped at the moment, right?
Yeah, look, wait.
No, it's stopped at the moment.
It won't go.
I think it's stuck on here.
Right.
They do like flat surfaces, to be fair, yeah. And it's already pre-mapped itself. We had Mick here, who's our AMR specialist, and he walked it around the stand. It's like walking the dog for the first time to map its movement. It's as simple as taking the dog for a walk.
I've
Builds up a picture of its surroundings so it can see when there's an object in its path, it will stop.
and there's actually a film of it and its mates working up there. I get a sense that you are having a great deal of fun with this, are you?
Very much so, yeah. I mean, we're in a great spot. The time is ripe, for sure. We can do so much more to deliver more robots into all kinds of industries, so it's exciting times.
Also, I'm impressed by the machinery. I'm also impressed by the nibbles that you have on your stand. I don't think anybody has brought
I'm
in...
going to try the Welsh gin next, because we bought Welsh gin and Welsh tonic. Have you been around many Welsh factories?
A couple. I have to say, I'm impressed by the robots. I am very, very impressed by the home baking that you've brought in. This, top robots, top snacking. It's on the stand here.